So I decided to get this eyelet. This is cover button rather. This is the way it came, different from the conventional cover buttons that we know. I was actually skeptical about collecting this type of cover button from the buyer I purchased this from, but he said it works perfectly well, just like the others as well. So it's almost 2 weeks after I got it, and I'm just trying it out now. And the first time I tried it, making use of my Rivet machine, I didn't know that I had to do some things. Although it taught me how to do it, but I forgot. So the first thing I did was just to lose this down part alone. This is what I lost from the down part. You can see. I've been making use of it for my eyelids alone. Not knowing, so I've been trying to, let me see if I can place this way and still show you. So after removing this part alone, this part was still intact here. So now I've been trying to add, so this part was still here, and I've been trying to get this to pass through this place. I've tried everything. I've even loosed the knot that was here, thinking that this thing will move forward, but it didn't. I tried losing this part as well, but I noticed that it was not affecting. It does not make this part here now. It does not make it move forward. So I was just like, what could I be doing wrong? Because I was assuming maybe the guy sold this thing that he sold to me was the wrong one, not knowing that if only I lose this part, then this would go in. See, you can see it's not going in. I was like, how is this going to go in? Or is this a fake one? I should have just gone for the normal one, blah blah blah. Okay, I'll take it back to the market. I was even thinking of going with this and also going with this, because I know they actually tested it and this fits inside. Okay, I was like, or is there a bigger Rivet machine that this works with? Up until I now remember that I can actually lose this part here. So when I loosed out this part, voila, I was surprised. This fits. So if you watch now, this part, there's still a part there that comes out. Okay, that part there is still coming out, so I can still work with this way. And when I tried it, I was able to make these two cover buttons. So you see, like they say, knowledge is power. Until you try something, you will know that there's a way. So I actually bought this cover button that this is size 36. I bought it for 7,000 naira in my area. I don't know if the guy sold it at an exorbitant price. I'm trying to look for the size. I know I saw the size. It was written somewhere, but I can't find it now. So I mean, look beneath. I actually got cover buttons as well. So this is just size 36. I'm making, okay, this is where it is. If you look closely, let me see if my no, it's not showing. It's just somewhere around here, size 36.